Ooh, welcome, man. Oh, here it is, right here. Right here, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all recognize this? Chrysler Pacifica. No, guys, not the minivan. Remember the Pacifica? That was a version of the Pacifica came out in '04. I think it hung around to '08, maybe. And then, of course, we didn't hear nothing from the brand Pacifica until 2017 when it showed up looking like a minivan. It showed back up looking like a minivan. Okay, so in 2017 through current, there's a minivan version of the Pacifica. This is the old body style Pacifica. I have one of these. They did well, guys. The thinking was, let's build a Jeep / minivan. A lot of people didn't want the soccer mom looking van, but they wanted a vehicle with just as much room that appeared to look like a Jeep. So they made a Jeep and a minivan into one body style, and they came out with the Pacifica. It did good for them back in that time frame, during that era. It did very well. All right, why is this in? Why are we here, JT? Noise, supposedly. I don't know. I guess we about to find out. Noise when running, they say up there under the engine area. So before I take it in, I'm gonna see if I can duplicate it. Let's start it up. Well, turn all this off. I don't hear nothing out of the ordinary. Oh, take that back. I do hear something out of the ordinary. Let's see if we can visually see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alrighty, guys. Y'all hear that? Something, hold on, let me move this couple. It's already moved. Alright, guys. From the looks of this and the sound of this, look like the alternator bearing is shot. And based on the appearance of, see all this brown stuff around in this area? See how that pulley bouncing around? Very well could be. Oh yeah, you can feel the, oh man. Let me turn it off. That's a no-no, guys. These battery clamps. All right, make sure, if you're gonna do that, make sure it's tight. Let me shut this down. Okay, that was excessively loud. Now, from the looks of it, it looks like the noise coming from the alternator, guys, but oh yeah, this is headed. Y'all can't see it, but I can feel the, and like I say, all this debris right here, the bearing, the sun is blocking my good view, guys. Yeah, that alternator coming apart. Now, what I'm gonna do, because remember I told y'all in the last video, watch this video right here where we was diagnosing noises. I highly suggest you remove the belt and see if the noise go away. If the noise goes away, then yeah, you know we chasing the noise is likely one of the accessories. Whatever this belt operates, when you remove the belt and the noise go away, the problem is whatever the belt was rotating, turning. Okay, so I still have to go in the shop and go through the motions, guys. You know, a customer paid an hour diagnostic time. I'm gonna give them an hour of diagnosing and looking over their car. This is a timing belt driven engine. We're gonna take a look at that. I didn't take a peek at the mileage, but I gotta take it in the shop and look it over completely. I'm not just gonna write up alternator right here because I see that could very well be the problem, but we're gonna go through the motions and the steps like you're supposed to. All right, so I tell y'all what, hold tight, man. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Ooh, welcome, man. What is this? It? Whoa, this looks like an older model 300. I got this car in for a ticking noise. I'm thinking this don't look like no Pentastar car, guys. It's got to be an 07, 08. Well, at any rate, we still got to figure out what's wrong with it. It's just not your normal ticker type car. Okay, this is, let me see something. All right, ticking noise. Let me see what's under this hood. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not a 3.6 Pentastar. I can tell that. Whoa, 2.7? I knew it was gonna be either 3.5 or 2.7 or a Hemi. The Pentastar didn't show up to 2011. It says in for ticking. Y'all hear anything? I don't hear nothing. Now, what I just did there, guys, was try to get a sneak peek for some sludge. You're not gonna really see it because it's a baffle inside this valve cover. My way of checking for sludge is remove this cam sensor, okay? Because if sludge buildup is inside of here, it will accumulate on that cam sensor. I need a 13 millimeter to remove that, so I guess I'll take it in the shop. First thing first, let me shut it off. Y'all see this? This will cause you some problems. I bet that's an air leak. No, it's not. So he got the O-ring on. It's just not pushed up all the way. That can give you some problems, guys. It's all about finagling when you're dealing with that EGR tube and that little blue O-ring. Got to get it on right. Ticking, ticking, ticking. I don't hear any ticking. Now, I'm hoping this ain't one of those ones. Y'all remember the one I did? It says ticking, but from the inside. Is this a new throttle body? Yeah, somebody chasing some problems, guys. New throttle body and my EGR tube is not on right. And it sounds like I'm idle a little high. I might have a vacuum leak. But I really want to verify this ticking. Now, let me check. Let me do the same check I did on that last one. If y'all not familiar with what I'm talking about, I had a Chrysler 300 and with a ticking noise, but it was from the inside. And that was dual climate control. Watch this video right here. How I went about diagnosing that. This is similar, but it's not dual climate control. So what I did in that video was try to make the actuators move. Okay, this HVAC system has electronic actuators. Long gone are the vacuum actuators that run off vacuum. Okay, so let's do this. Let's turn the AC on. What we're gonna do is go from recirc to non-recirc and see if it makes that little ticking noise. Because a lot of people will confuse that and blame that on the engine when in fact it's not. Okay, I got recirc on. Let's come out of recirc. See if we hear any noise. So this might not be the same problem, but I really shouldn't be running this car until I verify oil level. Yes, guys, oil level is crucial. In fact, before I drive it in the shop, I'm gonna check oil level. Okay, I didn't get the typical tick from the recirc actuator. So I don't know why they complain about ticking them. Let me do this, guys. Let me check this oil level real quick and I'm gonna head on in the shop. So y'all don't go anywhere. Stay tuned, man. I will be right back.